Today I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to make money online making brain rot Fortnite map. No, you heard me correctly. Brain rot Fortnite maps. If you guys are looking at my screen, this map right here has made over $585,000 in just a span of 90 days. And it's literally a stupid brain rot Fortnite map that kids can play. Who would have thought you could make that much money online making Fortnite map? Which is why today I'm going to be showing you guys the exact necessary steps you guys need to achieve the same success at the palm of your fingertips right at home watching this video. I've made hundreds and thousands of dollars respectively on my own personal accounts, and today I'm going to walk you guys down the exact necessary steps. This video will be completely raw and unedited, so if I stutter, bear with me. And of course guys, join the Discord to claim your free pre-made map. I give hundreds of maps out a day. You guys can literally just pick and choose and start posting maps instantly with no headache, no required experience. You can literally just post the maps and make thousands of dollars a month with these pre-made Fortnite maps. Join the Discord right now in the link in the description. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, so Davey, you just yapped your ass off in the intro. How do I actually get started making maps? Well, this is all you guys have to do. Go ahead, go onto Google and search up Epic Games Launcher. Click the first top link right here that says download the Epic Games Launcher and go ahead and sign into your Epic Games account and press download. That's all you have to do to actually get started making maps. And little side note, you don't have to do this, but literally join the Discord. It's completely free and you get a free pre-made map for every single person who joins the Discord that you can literally just post and instantly start making money at the palm of your fingertips. Because I know it's super stressful learning something new for the first time. So it's really good for you guys to have a map and the bare basics to learn off of and innovate and have your own maps of your own. But anyways, once you guys have downloaded the Epic Games Launcher, go ahead and download UEFN and Fortnite, obviously. The UEFN is spelled like this: Unreal Editor for Fortnite. This is exactly what it looks like, okay? Like I said, guys, this video is completely raw, okay? There's going to be pauses, there's going to be interruptions, there's going to be stutters. Now what I want you guys to do is load on into Fortnite GG. This is a website, this is a software that tracks the estimates and the growth and revenue of the actual Fortnite map ecosystem. If you guys are looking at my screen here, I just talked to this guy today. His name's Farron's, 50,000 players, and just this month, guys, $217,000 in the month of July. That is insane. Mind you guys, he only posted this map 10 days ago. So in 10 days, he has made over $200,000, which is $20,000 a day, okay? And I've helped various people in these cases, help them get from point A to point B, which is what I'm doing for you guys right now. Because most of you guys have questions that are super unanswered, like, where do I start making maps? Do I have to learn coding? What are the age requirements? Let me answer them all right now, okay? Let me show you. So to answer all of you guys' questions, all you have to do is go to Google and search up Fortnite Creator Portal. This is going to show you guys the entire details of the actual island program. How do I actually start making games? Well, this is what you're going to be doing, okay? Like I showed you guys in the beginning of the video, this is how you guys actually access your maps when you actually build your world, which obviously I'll show you guys how to do in this video, so you're good to go. But essentially, you do have to be 18 years of age to actually start making maps. You know what's funny is that I was actually talking to a guy who's 15 and he wanted to start making maps, and he literally told me that he'd rather just wait, which is stupid. Because look at the money that's being made, guys. Thousands and millions of dollars a day. You have to capitalize now before it's too late. This is a gold mine, and I'm making it the biggest business of all time, making millions of dollars for everyone per month with celebrities, athletes, actors. I'm making this the biggest mainstream business of all time, and I'm glad you're finally capped in and you're finally knowledgeable of the business of making maps. I'm trying to put you on. I'm trying to put the whole world on. I'm going to have 100 million people doing this by the end of next year, but I'm going to stop yapping now. Once you guys have downloaded UEFN, hopefully you guys are downloading it while you're watching this video. Hope so. But anyways, what I want you guys to do is go ahead and launch UEFN. I'm going to launch it with you guys and give you guys a bare bone basics tutorial on how to actually navigate and manage everything. Because I know at the start, it's a little tricky, especially when you're learning something new for the first time, you know? And that's how you guys know this video is unedited, because the time says 7:01 p.m. right? And I'm making thousands of dollars a month for my students, for my clients, and myself. And I have my own maps that you guys can play. Just search up Davy and you guys can see all the maps. I'll show them on screen in a second as well, or I'll put them in the description of this video. You guys can play them. The reason why I like mentoring and helping people more is because it's more impactful. It's kind of common sense, right? I mean, as a businessman and a content creator, you want to be providing value the most that you can. And I don't really get a lot of fulfillment in making games for kids per se. I get more fulfillment in mentoring and coaching because there's more passion and purpose behind that. But obviously the money is good, and that's why I do that. You know, I love making hundreds and thousands of dollars per month for everyone inside of the space of making maps. And obviously I'm taking revenue shares from hundreds of maps, hundreds of creators, while making my own maps. I have a cool creative collab dropping with a very popular streamer, which you guys will see in July sometime, and it will probably blow your socks off, okay? But anyways, what I want to show you guys is exactly how to actually get started making maps. If you guys go to the Excel grid island here, this is essentially a flat surface area where you guys can essentially get started, okay? So once you're downloaded UEFN, hopefully you guys already have, Also, a lot of you guys say, hey, you talk too fast in your videos. I mean, I'm just trying to be authentic and, you know, raw, I guess, right? But you guys can literally kind of call it you guys can literally call it whatever you want. I kind of actually spoiled the collaboration of who I'm doing it for. But anyways, it's going to blow up. It's going to make millions of dollars, you know, but it's whatever. It's not really about the money. It's about the impact that you're having on kids. You guys got to remember that we're literally building games for childhood kids, bro. We're building their childhoods. I know I said that backwards, but you guys know what I'm saying, okay? I'm here to help you. Let's get started, okay? So we're loading into the XL Grid Island. Let me show you guys exactly what you need to do. Okay, so we're loaded in. If you guys want to look around and move around, hold right click on your computer and move WASD. If you want to change your camera speed, this is all you have to do. Use the toggle here, which is right here, guys, and you guys can move around a little bit more faster. Right here, we have the content drawer. This is where Fortnite stores all of your assets when you're importing something. For example, let's just say I go onto my computer right now, I go to downloads, and let's say I want to import a PNG, okay? Picture of myself, okay? Well, I can. There's the image right there. But if we go to the all folder right here, this is essentially all of the components and factors that are inside of Fortnite. For example, visual effects. We have HUDs, HUDs, layouts, okay? But also, we have characters that we can actually drag out and play with and mess around with. Also, there's audio and environment. For example, watch. Physical materials. You can actually drag out materials. For example, I'll bring out a wall right now, okay? So go to Fortnite, let's go to galleries, let's go to customizable, and let's drag out this little playground here. Here we go, trees. Look at that, right? And obviously we can rotate these, we can move these left and right, and we can click Shift E to select if there's any highlighted trees here. For obviously there isn't, so these are all individual. But for example, right here, we can actually move it up and down, left and right, yada, yada, yada. You guys get the picture. So now heading back into the Discord, which you guys can literally join in the link in the description, top link for completely free. These are essentially the maps that you guys can literally choose from and make thousands of dollars a month. So all you have to do is join the Discord and you get access to all of these maps. You can pick one map per selection, okay? Send me a message in my Discord to join the mentorship program, pick a map that you want to get started to make money, because this is seriously going to help you guys. And now once you've done that, once you have your map, and you've posted it, go to the market yourself section in my Discord. This is where thousands of people per day market their maps in their Discord to actually self-market themselves, because I know a lot of you guys suck at advertising, like this guy here. King of the Hill, Orcus King of the Hill. He just posted this brand new Fortnite map today, and he's in last place. 197,000 maps have more players than him right now. Orca, I know you're watching this video. I believe in you, okay? But this thumbnail is not going to cut it. You guys need to join the mentorship program, because there's so many maps here. Like, you can just look on the list, guys. There's thousands of maps that are just unanswered, that are never going to get players, and it's sad to see. Like, you don't want to be getting only 200 players. You want to be getting millions like Fortnite is themselves. You guys know that there's only 46,000 people making maps. I've inspired 26,000 people. Half of the whole market that is inside of Fortnite is all because of me. Because I'm bringing people into the space, inspiring them to get started making maps, because they see the large pool of money being made, right? And I'm taking revenue share from all of the 368,000 maps that are inside of the space. I'm creating a whole monopoly, right? And I have a $1 billion company called Versify that literally automates the entire process and does the coding, visual effects, thumbnails, all of the processes of making maps. So it's really cool stuff. Like, it's very fun to do. And I need you guys to be getting started with this. Hopefully this inspired you. Let me know down in the comments if you guys have any comments, suggestions, and concerns. Of course, guys, join the Discord in the link in the description. Click the last video on the screen, businesses and sponsorships. You can reach out down below. I'm done yapping, I'm done bragging. I'm here to make you guys rich and wealthy and successful like myself. We're all going to retire our parents this year, and I believe in you guys, okay? If you believe, you can achieve. I love you guys all so much. Click the last video on the screen. It's been your boy Davey, Davy Davis. I'm out. Peace.